Now in the chapter of basic geometry, let's take a look at 10.2.2 part B. Okay, this is where you are actually applying all the different rules and the different angles in a diagram. Okay, so you see ABDE is a straight line and BC is parallel to EF. Okay, find the value of A and B. So let's take a look at this. Okay, first thing first, you would know that this particular angle, let me draw it in red, this angle, okay, it is actually the same as that of 5A. Can you see? Why? Okay, so I will name this angle as maybe X. Okay, angle X is actually the same as 5A because they are, remember, if I give you a parallel line and I give you these two angles, they are basically angles in corresponding, okay, corresponding figures. Okay, so you will know that corresponding angles, okay, why? Because BC is parallel to EF. Okay, so this tells you that, right, 360 degree minus away 240 degrees, okay, which is actually 115 degrees. Okay, this is what reason angles at a point. Okay, because you're talking about one point, there is 360 degrees, right? So 115 degrees actually means that it is 5A, which means A is technically 23 degrees. Okay, so now that you have found that this is actually 115A, are you able to find this small angle here? Yes. Okay, so what will I do? This small angle is CBD. CBD equals to 180 degrees minus 115. What is the reason? Okay, adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, so this would mean that your answer is, okay, 65. Alright, and then let's take a look at this part. Okay, let me draw it in a different color. CDB. Okay, CDB, this is a blue. Okay, now angle CDB is made of 180 degrees minus away 65 minus away 19. Why? Because angle sum of triangle, which would mean that this is actually the same as 2B. Okay, why do I say that? Because if you do realize, alright, 2B is 180 minus away CDB, correct? Okay, whereas CDB is technically 180 minus away 19 minus away 65. Oh, sorry. So what this means is that C2B is technically 19 plus 65. Can you see? Alright, let me draw out for you. This angle and this angle is equivalent to 2B because they're actually the same thing. Alright, okay, let me reiterate again. 2B, if I look at it in an adjacent form. Okay, so adjacent angle form. So you have adjacent angles on a straight line. Can see why I take 180? Same thing. If let's say I have CDB is 180 minus away 19 minus away 65, right? Then to find 2B, it is 180 minus away CDB, which is technically 180 minus away 180 minus 19 minus 65. So therefore, you minus out. Remember, you have to open bracket, so you need to change sign. You get 19 plus 65. So this is actually the same as this. Can you understand this concept? Okay, so therefore 2B equals to 19 plus 65, which is 84. And therefore B equals to 84 divided by 2, which means it is 42 degrees. Okay,